Are you inspired by female entrepreneurs? As a group of young females, we are inspired by the increasing number of female entrepreneurs, particularly within the areas of STEM.
In previous years, there has been a perception of male and female job roles, and opportunities for women to have a career in STEM and enterprise has been limited in comparison to today. Increasingly, women have demonstrated that females can do a job that has been labelled as a male role and are inspiring future generations of young women.
Female entrepreneurs today are strong, independent and extremely hardworking, as they still have to fight the gender equality boundary. We need to increase the platform for female entrepreneurs to speak out and share their experience and views on their journey in enterprise and STEM to show the younger generation that their dreams are possible.
These women provide an endless amount of inspiration to the future generations, and young women are now more likely to get involved in enterprise and STEM as they have role models to aspire to.
We conducted research via an online survey to identify the knowledge of female participation in STEM careers and female entrepreneurs. The majority of responses we received were from 14 to 17-year-olds, and 81.3% were female. Of these responses, 72.6% knew what an entrepreneur was, and 67.2% knew the 4 STEM subjects.
However, when asked if they know of any female entrepreneurs, only 6.3% knew a lot of female entrepreneurs, 55.6% knew a few. Just over half believe that females don't get the same opportunities, even though 85.9% think they are just as suitable for STEM careers and leadership roles. Although these survey results demonstrate more work is required to help inspire females, we know there are many inspiring and successful women for us to look to as role models. These include Marie Curie, Susan Wojcicki and J.K. Rowling.
Marie Curie was a Polish-born physicist and chemist and one of the most famous scientists of her time. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and she broke social conventions of that time because of this. Susan Wojcicki was involved in the founding of Google, and she became Google's first marketing manager in 1999. She is an American technology executive and has been Chief Executive Officer of YouTube since 2014.
There is a problem just in the numbers and being underrepresented. Like, we need more women across the board, and until those numbers get fixed, it's gonna be a harder place for women to work.
J.K. Rowling was turned down by 12 publishers, but this didn't stop her determination as she published 7 award-winning book series. This demonstrates that you can fail multiple times, but with hard work and determination, your dreams can still come true.
I had an old typewriter and a big idea, and so rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life. It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all.
These stories can be a source of inspiration for young females today to follow in their footsteps, as they show that females are just as capable as men for STEM careers and leadership roles in enterprise.
Stories like these should be shared throughout schools and young female community to set a positive mindset about female leadership roles in STEM from an early age. We believe our local councillors, MLAs and MPs have a responsibility to introduce new policy to increase the promotion of females in STEM and enterprise for our generation and future generations.